Handling missing data professionally involves advanced techniques using pandas. Experienced Python developers can leverage methods like interpolation, forward and backward filling, and using statistical models to address gaps. These techniques ensure data integrity and reliability, crucial for accurate analysis in real-world scenarios. Missing data is a common challenge in production environments. Sensor failures, user dropouts, and system errors create gaps that can compromise analysis integrity. Handling these gaps professionally is crucial for developing production-ready solutions, distinguishing expert data work from amateur efforts. Understanding missing data mechanisms is crucial. MCAR, or missing completely, at random occurs without any relationship to data values, though it's rare. MAR, or missing at random, depends on observed data, like younger users skipping income questions. MNAR, or missing not at random, is the most challenging, as missingness relates to unobserved values, such as high earners not reporting income. Pandas employs various representations for missing data: NaN for float columns, none for object dtype, NAT for datetime 64, and PD.NA as a modern nullable indicator. Each has unique behaviors. NaN propagates in operations. None is slower, NAT is datetime specific, and PD.NA is experimental but promising for nullable data handling. Efficiently detecting missing values is crucial for data analysis. Use Boolean masks like df.esna to identify missing data, and df.notna for non-missing. Calculate missing counts with df.esna, sum, and percentages with df.esna, sum, len df. 100. Identify columns with missing data using df.columns, df, isna, any. Advanced techniques include correlation heat maps and pattern detection using combinations. Visualizing missing data patterns is crucial before addressing them. Libraries like MissingNo offer tools to uncover hidden structures. Use matrix visualizations to identify patterns, bar charts for counts, heat maps for nullity correlation, and dendrograms for clustering. These insights guide your strategy for handling missing data effectively. Deletion methods are crucial for handling missing data. Listwise deletion removes entire rows with missing values, offering simplicity but risking data loss. Pairwise deletion uses available data for each calculation, maximizing data usage but causing inconsistent sample sizes. Column deletion removes columns with excessive missing data, suitable when features are largely incomplete. Deletion is suitable when data is missing completely at random, the missing percentage is under 5%, and the dataset is large. It's ideal when computational resources are limited or simplicity is preferred. Always assess the impact by calculating rows lost and potential bias introduced before proceeding with deletion. Simple imputation offers various strategies for handling missing data. Mean imputation is quick, but overlooks data distribution. Median imputation is robust against outliers, ideal for skewed data. Mode imputation suits categorical data by using the most frequent value. Constant imputation involves replacing missing values with a fixed value, tailored to specific domains. Forward fill and backward fill are crucial for time series data, propagating known values to maintain temporal patterns. Forward fill uses the last known value, while backward fill uses the next known value. Combining both ensures continuity, with options to limit consecutive fills, preserving data integrity in sequential datasets. Interpolation methods estimate missing values by leveraging surrounding data points, preserving data relationships. Linear interpolation connects points with straight lines, while polynomial uses quadratic equations for smoother transitions. Spline interpolation fits a smooth curve through data, and time-based interpolation considers temporal order, ensuring continuity in time series data. Using a time series with missing values, we apply linear, spline, and polynomial interpolation. Linear interpolation connects data points directly, while spline uses cubic polynomials for smoother curves. Polynomial interpolation fits a second-degree polynomial. Visualizing these methods highlights their effectiveness in estimating missing data, each offering unique advantages in maintaining data integrity. Multivariate imputation leverages relationships between variables for estimating missing values, enhancing accuracy over univariate methods. Using k-nearest neighbors, and iterative imputer, multiple imputation by chained equations, we can effectively utilize the dataset structure. K-nearest neighbors considers neighboring data points, while multiple imputation by chained equations iteratively refines imputations, both offering robust solutions for complex datasets. Machine learning imputation leverages predictive models to fill missing data. Train models like random forest on complete cases, then predict missing values. This approach excels in complex datasets. Evaluate model performance using cross-validation, ensuring robust predictions. Impute missing values by applying the trained model, enhancing dataset completeness and reliability. Handling missing data in groups ensures data integrity by respecting structural boundaries. Use group-wise imputation to preserve subgroup characteristics. For instance, fill missing sensor data with forward fill, survey data with median values, and others with zeros. This approach maintains the unique features of each group, enhancing the dataset's reliability and accuracy. Generate binary flags to mark missing values, preserving missingness patterns. Use these indicators with imputed values in models to capture both the value and its absence. Analyze these indicators to uncover informative patterns. Create missing indicators before imputation, then fill missing values, combining imputed data with missingness information for enhanced machine learning insights. Assess imputation quality by validating with multiple strategies. Use artificial missingness to compare imputed values with originals. Ensure imputed values match the original distribution. Implement cross-validation within machine learning pipelines and verify logical consistency through domain validation. Calculate mean squared error to quantify imputation accuracy, ensuring robust and unbiased data handling. Design robust pipelines for missing data, handling in production systems. Use pipeline and column transformer to manage numeric and categorical features. For numeric data, apply KNN imputer and standard scaler. For categorical data, use simple imputer and one-hot encoder. Integrate these into a full pipeline with a random forest classifier for a maintainable, testable solution. Handling missing data in time series involves detecting gaps using date-time indexing and reindexing to create a complete date-time range. Choose interpolation methods based on data frequency and patterns, ensuring seasonality and trend preservation. Set the timestamp as the index, reindex for missing timestamps, and apply time-aware interpolation. For seasonal data, consider seasonal decomposition. Columns with 100% missing data can disrupt operations, detect and drop them. Mixed data types lead to imputation errors, so ensure consistent data types. Infinity values aren't detected by ISNA. Handle them with numpy.isnf. For very sparse matrices, consider using specialized storage like sparseDtype to optimize processing. Chunked processing is crucial for handling large datasets efficiently. By processing data in chunks, such as 10,000 rows at a time, we can manage memory usage effectively. Use vectorized operations to enhance speed and consider tools like Dask or Vax for large-scale data. Profiling and caching can further optimize performance, ensuring quality isn't compromised. Meticulous documentation is crucial in professional missing data handling. Log your strategy, including timestamp, original and final dataset shapes, and imputation methods for each column. Save this log as a JSON file for an audit trail, ensuring transparency and reproducibility in your data processing workflow. Avoid common pitfalls in missing data handling. Impute after train test split to prevent data leakage. Investigate missing data mechanisms, treating missing not at random as missing completely at random biases results. Tailor strategies to each column's unique patterns. Validate imputed values to ensure they are sensible and unbiased. Assess the percentage of missing data. Under 5% may allow deletion, 20% might need simple imputation, and over 20% requires advanced methods. Identify the missing data mechanism. Missing completely. At random, missing at random, or missing not at random, each needing different strategies. Consider data type and computational resources, balancing complexity with practicality. Validate and iterate to ensure effectiveness. Investigate the reasons behind missing data before selecting a strategy. Tailor imputation methods to the specific data type. Validate the quality of imputation and check for bias. Document all decisions, parameters, and validation outcomes for reproducibility. Mastering these techniques ensures robust, production-ready data pipelines.